Hi, there are many persons were requesting to make a video on electronic balance. That's why I have taken this type of clip. So enjoy up to last. So here we can see this is our electronic balance. It is very simple to use, but you have to this type of balance. Anyway, here you can see this is the pan, the substance that you have to measure, put in this position by using paper or anything else. Okay, and for handling, some buttons are given here, so let's try to tackle. So this is our pan. So here you can see this is the on off switch, mode, call, set, print and target. So before switching on the electronic balance, first know the level of your electronic balance is on right position, yes or no. So here you can see this one is the indicator. Here you can see the indicator in circle. This it represents that your electronic balance is on good position. Now start. First switch on the button from main switch. This is in good position. So now switch on the balance, clicking this button. Yes, there you can see 0 0 0. So let's try using any substance. So let's try to wedge blood agar base. So we have used paper, and now we have to target this paper 0 by this way. So paper weight is managed by the electronic balance, that is 0. Now wedge blood agar base. So we have to wedge 37.5 gram. When you are adding more, which is displayed on screen, digital screen, here you can see. Yes, here you can see increasing, isn't it? Yes, in this way we became able to measure 37.5 gram. It's very simple, isn't it? So after removing the paper, here we will get gram in minus. Here minus 2.52 gram display. Why this color? Due to removing the paper. because after including paper it was 0, isn't it? So make the target 0 and then switch off from here and finally from the main switch.